Hey, what's going on, Weavers? Tim here again. So I've got some quick updates for you regarding the launch of ParaCordWeavers.com. So I'm going to get right into it. So in my original video, I said the soft launch would be today, June 14th, but we're actually going to push it back to Monday, June 17th. And the reason we're doing that is because we'd rather have the soft launch during a time when the Paracord Weavers team and staff are in office, in the warehouse, doing their jobs, so they can be there for any potential issues that may occur. We're hoping for a smooth launch, but you never know what could happen, and we just want everyone to be there at the ready. The grand opening, where you won't require a password to get in, is still tentatively planned for July 1st, but it could happen sooner. There's still time to sign up now to get access to the website when it does soft launch, as well as exclusive discount codes and the Launch Project Kit. And remember, the Launch Project Kit is something you can get for free. So while ParaCordWeavers.com is new to the Paracord space, the Paracord Weavers team working behind the scenes right now has a lot of experience with regards to shipping, fulfilling orders, and customer service. So don't worry, this is not their first rodeo. But if any hiccups do occur with your order, we'll do our best to make sure we make it right, no matter what. Also, we're not sure if anything's going to sell out or like that, but we will do restocks as soon as we can if that does happen. So we've seen in our analytics that about 25% of you that have signed up to our email list are international customers, meaning you are outside of the United States. You will be able to browse the site during this soft launch period. However, you won't be able to place orders just yet. And the reason why is, on our website, we want you to be able to prepay all of the import duties or VAT duties if you're in Europe or the United Kingdom. And unfortunately, we can't have that in place while the site has a password on it. So once the site is fully open, you'll be able to place your orders. That all being said, you'll still be able to get and use all the exclusive discount codes as well as the Launch Project Kit for free, but you will get a separate email for international customers so that you can do this after the grand opening has happened. So we appreciate your patience in this matter. And for the international customers, you might not have to wait all the way until July 1st. Depending on how the soft launch goes and how the website functions, if we're comfortable, we could do our grand opening sooner and have the site fully open. We will keep you updated via email. And last but not least, guys, I just wanted to say something from me. Thank you. Thank you so much for the positive response we've gotten to ParaCordWeavers.com, especially the last video I did talking about it. To be honest, I really wasn't sure how that video would be received, me telling my story and all that, but I did get a lot of positive comments and responses about it. So I'm really thankful and glad you guys are okay with me sharing my story. And hey, if you want to hear more stories, I've got plenty more to come. So thank you to each and every one of you who have signed up at ParaCordWeavers.com. We really appreciate your interest. We're going to do our best to bring you the best Paracord content as well as the best Paracord products. We'll see you all on the other side, and check this out. Bam, look at that. Not too shabby, huh?